Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to block someone on Instagram. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To block someone on Instagram, go to the profile of the person you want to block. Once you are on their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. From here, tap on Block. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. You may also see the option to block only this account, or block this account and any new accounts that person may create. Select the option you prefer and confirm the action. After that, the person will be blocked, and they will no longer be able to see your profile, your posts, or contact you on Instagram. And if you want to learn how to find your blocked list and start unblocking people, I will show you how to do that in the next video. And that's it! Now you know how to block someone on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.